Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a continuation of our spring cleaning series, but I'm going to take a break. I was going to do my kids' bedrooms upstairs as well as the office area that's upstairs, but we are preparing a yard sale for tomorrow, so we kind of bit off more than we could chew. But today was a really rough day. I did not get to film what I wanted to film because my children, no need to say anything. They did not do things that they normally do on a good daily basis, so that kind of put a damper on that. However, I was so excited to get some cleaning videos filmed and done because I want to clean my house. So I decided, after watching Amy Darley's video, I decided to clean my refrigerator because she put on YouTube a refrigeration cleanup challenge and I accepted. So I did a before and after for her on Instagram. If you want to go check me out and her, I'll link her Instagram also. So I did a complete refrigerator clean out. I got rid of some stuff and I basically got it ready for a grocery pickup that I did at Walmart later on today. So it just worked out perfectly. So anyway, that's the video that you're about to see. So if you're interested in seeing how I clean my refrigerator out, just keep watching. Alright guys, for spring I also decided to clean out my fridge. So we have a upper refrigerator and a middle drawer for like deli and cheese, and then the freezer is on the bottom. So here's everything. It's not too bad, but it has gotten a little dirty. You see some crumbs and things. So I figured I would take Amy Darley's challenge and also make it a part of my spring cleaning routine this year to go ahead and clean out the refrigerator. And then we also have open the freezer. Open the freezer. Let me show the camera the freezer. So the freezer is kind of empty right now, but we just keep a lot of our vegetables in here. And then that's basically empty. Some teething stuff and some mashed potatoes that I made for my baby. So yeah, that's our before. So let's get to it. So first I'm gonna start by emptying out everything that I have on the doors because I don't have a whole lot of door compartments in this refrigerator because I have a middle pull out. So a lot of the door items are just the sauces, the dressings, some of the almond milk and things like that, the butter. So I'm just gonna clean that out really quick and wash each container just with water and drying it. It wasn't too bad, but it was nice to clean it out. I'll show you some of the crumbs and some of the spots here, but it really did take probably 5 minutes just to do this part of the clean out. Then I'm gonna go through each item and make sure it's not expired. I only found 2 items that I did not want anymore. One of them was expired and the other was just like very little amount was left. So I got rid of those 2 items, which you will see next. So I'm throwing away just these 2 items so far, since this is almost empty anyway. And this sriracha, we don't really like it anyway. We like the name brand sriracha, plus it's expired by a few months. So bye-bye. Next, I'm going to start on the refrigerator part where I just take everything out, lay it on the counter, and then after everything's cleared, I'm going to use a disinfectant spray that's non-toxic, obviously, because this is the refrigerator and this is where all of your food is stored. We don't want to use chemicals inside the refrigerator. So I used a towel that I had used before and a method cleaner in the grapefruit scent, which is one of my favorites. Here is a shot of the cleaned surfaces inside the refrigerator. By the way, that drawer that you saw was a little sliding drawer that you can like put, cheese sticks or things like that for kids to grab. So I really love that option. When my 3-year-old gets a little taller, she can just open the fridge and get like something from that area. Also, that pull out middle drawer is wonderful for her age because again, you could put cheese sticks or drinks or fruit, anything like that in that drawer because it's easy to pull out and it's easy to get to for when she's old enough to do that on her own. I just love that. Fortunately, I didn't have to do too much organization in the fridge, so here you'll see me kind of deciding where things should go and if this container is something I want to use. So we didn't have a whole lot of food anyway. Like I said before, we had a grocery pickup later on this day, so I thought it was a perfect time to take that challenge that Amy wanted us to take, and I thought it was a great idea since I was about to go get some groceries and that my refrigerator would be nice and clean for that grocery pickup. Here's an after shot with all of the food inside the refrigerator. I just love having this area so clean and crumb free. It just makes life a little bit less stressed. Like I mentioned before, this drawer is kind of like the deli drawer, the soda can drawer, yogurts, things like that. That's what I keep in it anyway. But it's meant for, I think it's meant for toddlers and little kids to get, snacks for themselves. So that's one of the reasons why we bought this version of the refrigerator, because we had children and I knew that eventually they would love utilizing this drawer. So that's what I'm cleaning out right here. It's very simple to clean out. Here's an after shot of the deli drawer. It was pretty simple too because it wasn't very full, but it did have a lot of crumbs, so it is done. Alright, so after we picked up all of our food, it looks a little bit more full, but here's the after. We got more milk and things, but what I really needed was this delicious Arnold Palmer. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is excellent. If you don't know about this drink, you're missing out. This is one of the best drinks. And I got some deli meat as well, because we're going to make some hot tortilla wraps later on this week. I already have this cheese from Aldi. This is really good cheese too. So here's the after. And I wanted to show you this. I bought some more butter, things like that, but this area was very crummy. We had lots of spots everywhere from the sauces and everything, so that was, interesting. Now, I did not really do much to the freezer because it's hard to clean a freezer because any product that you put on it will freeze. So what I'm going to do is, with a little bit more time, I'm going to empty the drawers out and just kind of vacuum some of those crumbs. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, it's okay. We'll deal with it. But it's all cleaned out and I got everything I needed out of there. It's cold, I know. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you subscribe by now because I do lots of videos with cleaning, motivational, organization videos. So click that notification bell so you don't miss an upcoming video. And be sure to let me know in the comments below if you decided to join the refrigerator clean out challenge with me and Amy. I would love to know. Also, check her out. I'll link her channel below and check out her refrigerator cleaning video and tell her I sent you. Have a great day. Bye.